Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming account and hardware so voice works in-game. Sign into your PlayStation Network account tied to Valorant, then plug a headset or mic into the DualSense USB or 3.5mm jack. Once done, open PS5 settings and enable microphone access and set input device to your headset. This avoids system mute conflicts. Make sure privacy settings allow voice chat in parties, because Valorant on PS5 respects PSN permissions and the system input selection. Now configure Valorant's internal audio so your mic routes correctly. In Valorant settings, switch to audio, then choose voice chat mode. Team for teammates or party for friends, this determines who hears you. Next, explicitly select the same input/output device you set in PS5 and raise mic volume until levels show activity. You can pick push-to-talk to avoid background noise or open mic for constant transmission. Test immediately in a practice match to confirm clarity and volume balance. Finish by joining a party or match and verifying voice indicators light up when you speak, so you know teammates hear you. If they don't, first toggle mute, then cycle the PS5 input device or replug the headset. If that fails, fully restart Valorant to force device redetection. Make sure PS5 audio format is compatible. Switching to linear PCM can fix codec mismatches. If problems persist, ask teammates to confirm their settings so you can rule out remote side issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.